I'm Emma Dyer and I'm a paediatric registrar working in London, and I'm also the ePorfolio and curriculum rep for the College Trainees Committee.
Hello, I'm Fiona Hignett and I'm an ST8 General Peds trainee in Wessex, and I'm also the Vice Chair of the Trainees Committee.
If you want to add more goals after your supervisor meeting, you can do this.
You can go to the top taskbar and select goals and then PDPs to review what you've done. When you're in here, you can look at your individual goals and the targets that you've made underneath them. You can link various events to these targets, and you can also mark them as completed or carried forward.